Good day, viewers. Welcome to another biology lesson. So right here with me, I've got a question that is coming from biology paper 2 for 2018 GCE. The question reads, figure 3.0 shows the part of the urinary system. So this is the part of the urinary system, which is labeled P, Q, R, and O. So we start with question A1. Name the parts labeled O, Q, and R. So name the parts labeled. We have the part labeled O. We also have the part labeled Q. We also have the part labeled what? R. So the name of this part labeled O, this is the vena cava. Okay, so this vena cava is just carries deoxygenated blood from different body organs towards the what? The heart. So we have said the part labeled O, this is the vena cava. Alright, now what about the part labeled Q? So the part labeled Q is this part, which is the ureter. So the ureter acts as a passage for urine. So this urine will be transported through the ureter, then it will go to the bladder, okay, for temporal storage. Then from Q, we also have the part labeled what? R. So this is the part labeled R. So this part labeled R is the urinary what? Bladder. This is the urinary bladder, the one that temporarily store urine. Okay, so we have answered our first question. Let us now move on to another question. Okay, so we've come to question A2. Suggest 3 substances excreted by the excretory organ shown in figure 3.0. So in this figure 3.0, you can see right here, we have, this is called the kidney. Okay, so this is the kidney. So in other words, what excretory substances or materials are being excreted by the kidney? So number 1, the kidney excretes urea. Okay, it also excretes mineral salts. So you can also say excess mineral salts. It also excretes excess water. So we have urea, mineral salts, also excess water. Okay, so these 3 substances, they are being excreted in form of what? Urine. So they are found in urine as well. So 3 substances excreted by the excretory organ shown in figure 3.0, which is the kidney. We have urea, mineral salts, and excess what? Water. So we now move on to our question B. So this is our question B right here. So the question reads, give one example of an osmoregulatory function of the kidney. So first we have to understand the meaning of this word. So this is osmoregulation. So osmoregulation is simply means the regulation of water levels in body fluids. Okay, so one excretory function of the kidney in osmoregulation is just the reabsorption of water in the glomerulus filtrate, okay, with the help of the antidiuretic hormone. So one excretory function of the kidney is the reabsorption of water in the glomerulus filtrate, reabsorption of water in the glomerulus filtrate the absorption of water in the glomerulus filtrate with the help of the antidiuretic hormone. The help of the antidiuretic hormone. Okay, so this is the answer that we can give right here. So what happens is that when water levels are low in the body, the antidiuretic hormone is secreted by the pancreas gland in the brain. Okay, so this now causes the water to be reabsorbed from the glomerulus filtrate into the surrounding cells. So we have answered this question. We now move on to another question. We come to question C right here. Identify 2 disorders that might affect the excretory system. So we want to identify 2 disorders that might affect the excretory system. So the 2 disorders that might affect the excretory system, we have number 1, we can say hypertension, or we can say high blood pressure, or we can say high blood pressure, which is BP, high blood pressure. Okay, all right, so that is the first part. Then the second one, we can say the second one, for the second disorder, we can say diabetes. We can say diabetes mellitus. So under the first one here, where we said hypertension, you find that high blood pressure can cause the glomerulus to burst due to the build up pressure. Okay, then when it comes to diabetes mellitus, people that have got sugar disease, they can suffer from kidney failure. Okay, so these were the answers to this question. Okay, so we've come to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much everyone for having time to view this content. Bye bye.